adding a green leafy vegetable that's high in iron is going to help with the having the fibroid surgery, the 2 kids via C-section has definitely.
This looks so refreshing and pretty.
Going to do some abs on the stability ball. This is one of the most effective ways to get in crunches. If you don't have a ball, you can use a booster ball or any type of ball that you can lean back and crunch up on. I come back, stabilize myself, coming up slightly, right? I recommend about 20-25 of these, 4 sets. Push through it, get it done, and let's go on to the next. Right now I'm going to perform some walking lunges. We had to switch locations. Just gonna get into it. This is gonna be like light resistance. I would assume that this ball is about 10 pounds or so. So this is a good way for me to get some resistance training in and at the same time strengthening my cardiovascular, or more so improving my cardiovascular. I could also bring it down, bring it up overhead. And if I really wanted to come down, I could rotate, step, rotate, just to include some variety. If you're wondering why I have the stability ball, I really have to focus on strengthening my core muscles. Over time, having the fibroid surgery, the 2 kids via C-section has definitely weakened my core some. So whenever I perform like core exercises, I get cramped very easily. And as you guys, one of the things that a few of the chiropractors that I've seen, they recommended just to keep going, keep pushing past it. Eventually you'll strengthen your core enough so whereas the cramping will subside. My quads are on fire. Now I'm getting into a step up with a torso twist. Ooh, just to challenge my obliques a little bit. Balance, getting some unilateral movement in there. Because what happens is one side tends to be a lot stronger than the other. So when we do lunges or when we isolate one leg, it tends to help. Performing push-ups, using the stability ball to help to keep me stable, and this is what's going to challenge my core. The push-ups more so primarily focuses on my chest, front delts, and triceps. So this is a creative way to do this. Again, use your discernment. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm gonna do this again, but this time I'm going to keep the positioning of my feet flat because I have my toes up this way. Gonna keep it down. Right now, I'm going to prepare a great wellness drink. This is a recipe that you can add to your recipes of smoothies or drinks. We have the ingredients. We're mostly going to be using orange, turmeric. We have carrots. I forgot the lemon. I'm going to grab that as well. And we have cold pressed orange juice. Vitamin C is a natural diuretic, which helps to, of course, drain out the excess water that we carry from the inflammation from the food that we consume, overly processed food that we consume. So we're gonna first start off with cold pressed orange juice. In the previous video, people were just like, oh, orange juice is not good for you, blah, blah, blah. Let's get down to the facts of cold press. What is cold press? They preserve the nutrients, and the reason why it's cold press is it goes through a process that's going to preserve the nutrients of the fruit itself. This is the best way to get store-bought orange juice, is to buy it cold pressed. The optimum way to do it is if you can do it at home, but realistically, we don't always have the time to make fresh orange juice. I always go for organic cold press because the organic fruits have been known to not have as much pesticides as the conventional. First, I'm gonna start off with cutting and peeling the carrot. All right, I'm just gonna peel this real quick. Just gonna slice the carrot, and just prepare it for the blender. Okay, carrots, no specific order. Everything just goes into the blender and just mix it and enjoy it. I think you can juice this as well. If you don't have a blender, you have a juicer. That's something that you can use as well. I have a key lime here, so I'm just gonna juice that. Okay, this is not it. I'm gonna squeeze it by hand. Orange juice goes in. Now the turmeric. I try not to use too much turmeric because it can be slightly overpowering, but the amount that you want to use is just generally up to you. Turmeric's gonna go in, and now I'm going to add a little bit of agave syrup to this. All right, and some water, a little bit of water, and ice. Got ice. Okay, ready to blend. I also wanted to mention adding a green leafy vegetable that's high in iron is going to help with the absorption of iron. Vitamin C helps with that absorption. So I have this green mix. Sometimes I would add baby spinach. Sometimes I would add like my super greens to this. It's just so many different ways to get in the nutrients. Sometimes I would add the Luminous boost. So there's different ways to improve the nutrient profile of the drink that you're making. So let's go ahead and it's beneficial for digestion. It's great for weight loss. It helps to lower the inflammation that are within our joints, not only from the food that we consume, but also for after working out. Even if you're trying to gain weight, this is also beneficial. So let's pour this in and give it a quick taste.
This looks so refreshing and pretty.
Let's give that a quick taste. It tastes like a nice summer day. This is very refreshing. The convenient ways for me to get my nutrients in is by smoothies, juices, and these are the ingredients that you see me taking in daily. This is one of the reasons why we have this conveniently for you. The turmeric and the matcha capsules give you the same nutritional profile that you would get from taking your drinks or your smoothies. Again, when I'm short on time, this is one of my go-tos. I take this all the time. I take the Luminous Boost, I take the 𝗧𝗨𝗥𝗠𝗘𝗥𝗓. All of our products I take on a daily basis. And the link is going to be available for you in the description below. As a matter of fact, to save some money, use this code now, Save Matcha, and we'll have it on the screen for you as well, so that you can benefit from discounts and save you some coins.